Can Frank. So back to that, our global responsibility for safety of navigation. So we have a program called Notice to Mariners that provides worldwide navigational updates to hazards, objects, be they static or even dynamic. So when Fukushima exploded, there were floating debris within the Pacific Ocean. So there's a responsibility to make sure the flow of goods and services can go, as well as the safety of people. It's a small crew working to try to sift through a global set of information. We've used various elements of AI to try to augment their tasks, sift and filter through data, and have now reduced that backlog from years to months, and then hopefully in the near-time future we'll bring that to a currency that drives the data to decision timeline to as close to zero as possible.
Wow.
The same thing will then be applied to our aeronautical safety of navigation. So our goal is to ensure that the understanding of the world that we're responsible for is as timely as it can be. If I could, I'd like to mention then a second aspect. Without giving away too much of our classified mission, we really feel compelled to educate the open community on what it's like to deal with our data in our domain. So partnering with the Defense Intelligence Unit, DIU, formerly DIUX, we've published a set of unclassified data and a challenge out to the open community called the XView data set, the XView challenge. So folks can come in thinking they have potential solutions, look at examples of our data, examples of the classes or the objects that we're interested in, and see if they can actually contribute. So we're doing two things, trying to educate the open community what's unique about us. And what's unique is, imagine doing facial recognition for your iPhone, which is a great thing. You've got it, it works while it's 1 to 2 feet in front of you. Ask your friend to hold that at the 0 line on a football field and walk back in 10-yard increments and see how well that works. Well, the parallel is, imagine trying to do facial recognition from the 50 or opposite end goal line. That's our job.
It's incredible.